Hey guys, what's up? I know this is a car channel, but I had to pick up tech to edit videos for the future. I just picked up the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. Everything's based in this, so 256 gigabyte hard drive, 8 gigabyte RAM, and the M1 chip in it. So right there, 256 gigabyte. Everything's based in this. I think I'll get the job done for me right now. And I also had to pick up this USB-C to USB adapter, because this only has USB-C and not a regular USB port. So this was $25. Apple, stop doing this. So put this to the side. Let's unbox this. I love unboxing Apple products. It's just so satisfying. So we have a little pull tab right here. Just in the whole experience with Apple products. Push that to the side. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, come on. Does not want to come up, guys. There we go. Regular box, nothing special. We have a pull tab. We have the MacBook itself in space gray. Very thin. Headphone jack right there. And the two USB-C ports right there. So this is what the dongle's for. Push this to the side. And in the box we have our charging. USB-C to USB-C. We have our design by Apple in California. Let's see if they have stickers again in these still. Yep, space gray stickers. I'm collecting these for life. Never know if they go up in price, never know. I have a little quick guide on how to start up the laptop. That's pretty much it with that. And the last bit is the charging brick. The texture of this is insane, just the plastic. So this is, I think, the 80 volt. Right there it is. Oh, 61 watt. USB-C power adapter. So you plug this in here, and you plug the other end into your laptop. That's how you charge it. No battery, brick, nothing like that. So yeah, push these to the side. So this is a laptop that I'll be using to edit videos on it. Oh, it's so satisfying. There's even this texture. Open it up, guys. Wow, that quick. So this comes with a touch bar and your fingerprint scanner right here for online payments.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I just want to show you guys how thin this is. It's insane. So I was thinking about getting the 14-inch with the new M1X chip in it, but I just want to get something in the entry level. I know a lot of people hate touch bar. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one, guys.